Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. We are continuing with learning how to sketch in Scratch, and in this video today we are going to learn how to put things back and forward, back and front, forward and backward in Scratch. I'm starting with this orange cat. I will delete this sprite because it's not very good for this example today, and I'm going to try to find some kind of sprite, some kind of image which has different details. This beach ball, I think it will be great. So click on beach ball sprite costumes so we can see that larger in our editor, and what we are going to learn today are these buttons in first row which says forward, backward, front, back. So we have learned before that with select tool we can select different parts of our Scratch images if those images have different parts, like in this case these circles, orange and red, and even this white circle for complete ball, they are all different parts. How can I know that? Because when I go with my select tool over them and click on them, I can see blue border and some kind of circles and so on. We haven't learned that yet, but I know I can move them, and that's all great. The problem here is, for example, when I move this big red circle over this big orange circle, it goes behind him. It's like it's hiding behind him. Sometimes that will be cool. That's what you want, that's what you like and need for your game and illustration, but sometimes you want this red circle to go over this orange circle, to be over it, in front of it. To do that, all you have to do is click on this forward or front button. The front button will push it all the way to the top. So if you have, for example, like 5 or 10 or 50 of these orange circles, all one on top of each other, and you click front, it will push red circle to the front of all of them. And when you click on forward, it will go step by step, one by one forward. So let's try with forward. One click, nothing happens. Another click, nothing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I had to click 6 times to go forward. Let's try with this circle now. This red circle, when I go to the orange one, it's still behind him. Now I will click on front to see if it will push it right away on the top of it. And it does. Great. So this one is in the front, and it will be like drawn on top of everything on the screen. So these all oranges are behind him, and this red circle, cherry circle, is on front. If I want him to go behind the orange one again, I can go and click on backward. So select the red circle, backward once, twice, and it's behind. Once, and it's behind. Cool. So you can play with it and see, for example, this red circle is behind this bottom orange, but it's over this top orange, so I have to go backward a couple of times. Yeah, and it's now. If I click back, where it will go? It will go even behind this white one, because Scratch counts everything on the screen. So look now how it will disappear. I have selected this red circle back, and it goes even behind this guy here. I don't want to do that. I want it forward, forward, front, and so on. So this tool is useful, and you're going to use it when you make complex illustrations, complex sketches, paints, and so on. Maybe for now you don't see its purpose, but yeah, don't worry. Later, when we start to create some more complex sketches, you will see how important it is. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Bye for now.